worst day now for air travel in the last year in the United States. The second worst day tomorrow. Just check FlightAware. Got about 2,900 cancellations nationwide tomorrow. 3,900 on Sunday. These are airlines posting these mass cancellations ahead of the storm. The strategy right now is airlines trying to move planes out of the way and bring in employees